So your multiplayer is not working on MCPE and you are very sad that you can't play with your friends. Don't you worry because I'm here. Welcome back to another video of fixing. Today I'm gonna fix this. So without wasting time, let's start the video.
Tip number 1. So first of all you have to make sure that your account is made 18 plus. Okay.
Step number 2. First of all, open your Minecraft and sign in. Let me check that I have been. Okay, go to the account. Oh, sorry, I didn't sign in, so I have to sign in. Okay. So as you can see that I have signed in, so go to the settings and go to the account and click the privacy and online safety. So you need to sign in into your account. When you have completed your sign-in, go to the privacy. Already you will go. So click copy my things, everyone, and allow everything. Okay, not friends or not blocked. Okay, everyone. Okay, and click the submit button. Then you will go to the Xbox and Windows 10 online and allow the all and everyone. Then submit it again, and your work is done. Your multiplayer is done. Now your multiplayer is fixed. So 2 days for the video. I hope you enjoyed my content. We will meet in the next episode of fixing or more. For now, peace out.